Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Thinking Wings car cleaning accessory kit. So there's a couple of versions. You got the 14 piece, which is this one. You got the 13 piece and 12 piece. You might as well get the 14 because it's not much of a price difference from the 13. 12 to 14 is about £4 difference, so that's your preference, I guess. Yeah, but I decided might as well just pay a few more quid, get the full thing. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this. Ew, look at that nasty glue. Comes in a pink package. Very odd. Don't expect that. Come on, you bastard. Alright. Okay, so you get an ice scraper. You get a brush set for your wheels and stuff, your brakes, brake calipers, I mean. Okay, you got some brush sets to wipe dust with. Got a small oven mitt thing, not oven mitt, what do you call it, those washing mitt things where you wipe your car with it. This one is okay quality, I guess. Let's see if it gives a fluff. Yeah, it does. All of them need a good wash first. Okay, it's like a drying cloth, I think. Yeah, like a tiny drying cloth. Let's have a look else. Okay, so this is a vent cleaner, so this part goes into your vents. You can also use this head as well. And you got toilet brush. Joking, I don't know what the hell this is. This is probably another cleaner. This might be the wheel thing, I'm not sure. I actually have no idea. Oh, one rim clean. This might be the rim cleaner, which would be the wheel rims. So you do blah blah blah. I don't know. Figure it out. And you got sponge. What the hell do you do with this? Oh, car wax applicator part. Oh, so you put on car wax with this and go like this, I guess. Puff it in. So that's everything in the package. Alright, I'm gonna head and quickly unbox everything quickly. I guess I took everything out. Got all the stuff there. So these wire brushes, the black one is not very, it's very soft. And then as you go up the colors, I think the grey one's a bit, oh, that is sharp. The grey one's a bit more harder, and the gold one is rock hard. That will cut your hand off. I think I did pinch myself somewhere there. So yeah, this is your ice scraper. I took off the wrap, and look, there's some stuck in the corner. That's gonna annoy me, but it is what it is. Okay, and this is your vent brush thing. Okay then, that just came out. So these are meant to go in like that into each of your vent like that, and then use the brush to clean it like this. Let me show you that. Okay, and then this is your wheel thingy, rim thing. That's your drying cloth. Got all the brushes there. So yeah, that's the whole kit, and you got the wax sponge. So yeah, overall this looks okay. The reviews were okay. There is quite a few 1 stars though, so I won't know till I test it out. So if I use it in a future video, you will find out if it's good or bad, so stay tuned. Anyways guys, if you like this video, then leave a like down below. If you got anything you want me to review for you, let me know. Get in contact with me, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.